Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a simple but very useful video. We're gonna be working on the Model Y. We're gonna be doing the end links on it. So a lot of people stock the car does like a little clunking sound, and it's related to that end link. So I'll show you the sound and how it's sounding, and I'm gonna show you how you can fix that, even if you're stuck, if you're bagged, if you're lowered on coilover springs, whatever. So let's get to that. You can barely hear it out here, so you can hear it in there. All right. So you can't really hear it out here, but I'll record in here. Okay. All right, so anyway, it's just the clunking of the, when you're hitting like bumps while turning, it has like a little clunking sound. So, now of course when I'm talking you hear it. So anybody that has a Tesla Model Y or Model 3, I think sometimes does it, you'll know what we're talking about. So we're gonna show you how to get that fixed. So this is gonna be the replacement adjustable end link for the Model Y and Model 3. And it's the SPL brand. They have very good reviews. They have metal bushings here instead of like the rubber ones. So it should be a lot better, and it shouldn't have that clunking sound anymore. So this is obviously the stock end link. So we're gonna change that because supposedly this is what clunks, and is a common issue. So, you know, aftermarket solutions are usually the best anyway. So what we're gonna do is just match the height of the stock one because it works with the suspension and how we have it set up, so that it's the same length from end to end. So we got the length adjusted accordingly. So now he's gonna go back in. And we gotta remember to tighten those nuts. But we're gonna put the other nuts first probably. Then it should be good to go. Do you need that longer? So we got the SPL arm installed there. We marked it just to make sure it doesn't move. We're gonna check in like a week or so. But right side done. That probably took like what, 20 minutes? Realistically, yeah.
Did it with the suspension.
Exactly. So 20 minutes or so to install one side, and that's like kind of relaxing. So let's see, we're gonna do the other side, and hopefully that sound goes away.
Easy peasy.
Here we go, nice and easy. Same thing, you want to center these so you can get an accurate sheesh. So center them correctly so you can get the adjustable one to the same length.
That looks about right.
Yeah, there looks about right. So got the left hand side installed, marked it, make sure it's good. Everything else is tight. We double checked everything. So we're gonna drop it and make sure that it's good. So this is the reason of why the stock end link sound. So when you hit a bump, this maxes out and it clashes the two metals. Do that again. And that's why that sound. With the aftermarket ones, it's all that metal bushing and it has a lot more play, like swivel room. So it's not, when you land, it's not gonna sound anymore. We already tested it on the Model Y and there's no more sound. So this, how much was that?
$250.
So for $250, because if you go to Tesla, they're gonna either replace it stock, same thing. So you're not gonna get anything fixed. For $250 and maybe an hour pushing it worth the work, you're gonna get rid of that sound and it's gonna be okay.